A sexual assault charge in Colorado is not a fight you can win alone. Don't gamble with your future. Here are some steps that you can take right now to protect yourself, starting with don't talk to the police. Once a case has gotten to the investigatory stage where the police are actively looking into you as a suspect, it already means that there's probably been a prejudgment made that you are guilty of whatever the accusation is. So when you're talking to them, the police are not looking for a way to find you innocent or a way to somehow find evidence that helps you. They're looking at your story to find ways to convict you. The police are trained in investigatory techniques and interrogation techniques, and at the end of the day, they are not on your side. Even if you're only a part of the investigatory stage but not charged yet when it comes to a sexual assault charge or investigation, you still need to hire an attorney, because an attorney can send off an invocation letter invoking all of the rights and privileges under the United States and Colorado constitutions. They can prevent the police from talking to you any further. That allows there to be at least some sort of buffer. Also, the attorney can reach out, try to figure out what exactly the allegations are, and most importantly, if there is a charging decision made against you, the police officer and your attorney can at least start talking about maybe you not getting arrested at work or at home, but rather turning yourself in, making it a little bit of an easier or smoother process. It is so important that you immediately get an attorney who can help walk you through the next stages. Even if you do get charged, you at least have somebody on your side who will be there from your first court date to the last court date. Some possible defenses in a sexual assault case include consent, that this was a totally consensual act between two people. There's obviously an alibi defense if somebody's claiming that you did it and you weren't there. There's also the potential for that the victim's just simply making this up, that there was no assault that happened whatsoever, and potentially that they're just trying to get back at somebody for maybe breaking up with them. Those are some of the more common ones, but quite frankly, there's a litany of defenses that can be used. When we're taking a look at your case in particular, what we're not married to is one particular strategy. We craft our strategies based off of the case in front of us, based off of the client in front of us, so that you're getting the best defense possible. One defense here, it may not be the best defense for a case over here. So if someone's convicted of sexual assault in Colorado, depending on the specific charge, it can land you in prison up to the rest of your life. There's also a probationary sentence, which can also be indeterminate. There's also determinate sentences, which means that it will be for a specific amount of years. You would be placed on sex offender intensive supervised probation. You're going to have to be checking in with your probation officer a lot. You'll have to go through sex offender treatment, and you'll also have to be on the sex offender registry, most likely. If you've been accused of sexual assault, time is not on your side. Let's start building your defense today. Reach out to schedule your confidential consultation.